Here's Vilppulanpolku 2 to 4 stickers here. Probably willing to check it later. There's not on the elevator. Past the exporter store. And stickers say there are 6 floors here. And this was built in 1990 actually. It turned 30 years old last year, 2020, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020. The serial number is H66540. Yeah, this is the basement floor. That's right. Amazing. I love the smell.
Same here.
I believe it's early 1990.
Yeah.
But it's still very fresh.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like 30 or 31 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is in Pohjois-Savo, the northern Hervanta. And Hervanta, Tampere, Tampere, Finland. Next light trailer here.
Yeah. Inspekteert kiva inspektera, että maintained machine.
Yeah, it should have been mentioned by Kone.
Yeah.
Still has that one.
Yeah.
That's why I believe it's very 1990. Because some of the 1990 don't have it from like 1990.
Yeah.
Like this one above the door that is breaking up the door. So it makes it go smoothly.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It was very difficult. Even one is very difficult here.
That's